Okay, let's get into a really critical topic: infections of your body's command center. So think of your nervous system as a fortress, protected by these special layers called the meninges. But what if that fortress gets breached? It's serious. We're going to look at three main types of invasion. First up, we've got meningitis. This is basically an attack on the fortress walls themselves. A key sign? A really bad headache, and it hits a huge majority of patients. You'll also see things like a high fever, a stiff neck, and even confusion. And get this, almost everyone with it shows at least two of these four key signs. So, doctors use these specific physical tests to see if those protective layers are irritated. Now, it's super important to know which kind it is. Bacterial is way more dangerous than viral. Next is encephalitis. This time, the infection gets inside the command center, attacking the brain tissue. And because it's the brain itself, you see much more severe neurological symptoms. An MRI scan is absolutely key here. It lets doctors see right inside the brain. And last, the brain abscess. Think of it like a walled-off pocket of infection right inside the brain. And on a CT scan, you can see it really clearly, just like this. But here's a twist. That classic trio of symptoms, it shows up less than half the time. The one thing to really watch for is a headache that just keeps getting worse. Okay, so how do doctors actually figure out what's going on and fight back? A huge part of the diagnosis is a spinal tap. It's to get a sample of that protective fluid. And that fluid is like a treasure trove of clues about what kind of infection it is. Now, a really big danger with any of these is swelling that builds up pressure. It's a huge emergency. And they're looking for this specific trio of warning signs. It means the pressure is critically high. The key takeaway here is speed. Treatment starts right away, often before all the results are in. So, to sum it up, 3 different threats, each targeting a very specific part of the system. Remember, these are all medical emergencies. Knowing these signs really can save a life.